Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails. I'm so excited you're going to be joining me today. We're going to have so much fun. Now let's get started. I applied the first coat of primer and it dried. This dries out the oils in the nail and kills all the germs on the nail. Now I'm going to apply the second coat of primer right before I apply my acrylic. This helps with adhesion and eliminates lifting. I will be using Original Whitest White Acrylic Nail Powder, number 158 Glisten Up Prisma Powder, and Clear Original Nail Powder. I will be doing a long coffin shape white and silver icicle fade. Dip your brush all the way in your liquid. Wipe away from you. This is going to be a large ball. Drag towards me in my whitest white. I'm going to place the ball backwards so I can thin it out here on the nail bed. So when I do my fade, it doesn't get thick and it covers really nice. And pat it out, side to side. Bring up your side. Stroke it out a little bit. Thinning it out towards the tip. Even up your tip. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away from you. A little smaller ball, so less liquid. Place this ball right where the white is on the nail bed. Let it flow. And then lightly start stroking it out. This is the easiest fade, and it's so fun, and it looks beautiful, and it looks like you did a lot of work. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. This is your cuticle ball. Place this ball close to the cuticle, and then very lightly pat it down around that cuticle as close as you can get it without getting it on the cuticle, and then start stroking it out. So easy and so pretty. Now you're going to encapsulate it with clear. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Place this ball almost at the cuticle. Push it down so you completely cover all of your Prisma, then stroke it out, side, side, center. Clean it up. Wipe off your brush. Now I'm going to squeeze my C-curve. A coffin shape is a little bit wider here and tapered in towards the tip. So I'm going to taper in this tip. And then come in here, squeeze it from the nail bed all the way out. This makes it strong. Gives you a nice C-curve. I'm going to squeeze it just a little bit more towards the tip here. Give it just a little bit more of that coffin shape. Very easy. Beautiful. I will be using a long-lasting 180 zebra to file the nails, but first I'm going to use my etcher strip that I'd used when I prepped the nails to score the edges. And this is disposable, so just peel it off and just throw it away. I will be filing in 5 steps, and my first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right. The third step in filing is to shape the tip of the free edge. Hold the finger secure. This is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down and go back and forth. As soon as the nail is flush with the file, you now have a square. The fourth step in filing is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Again, holding the finger secure. File down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side, down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side, like in a horseshoe pattern. That way you keep the arch on the nail and you don't flatten the nail. And file around the cuticle area. There's a little road. Acrylic, natural nail, cuticle. Place the file in this little road and file the product flush with the natural nail. The fifth step in filing, you turn the nail around and look at it from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client looks at for the next 2 weeks. Now I'm going to buff the nail with my clean finish buffing file. Nice long strokes. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Go around the cuticle area, get it nice and smooth. Bevel out towards the tip. You can take off the sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. I will be finishing the nail with Top Gel Plus, a super high gloss non-yellowing top gel. Apply it in nice long strokes. Oh wow. That is beautiful. Look how that shines. Cap the tip. Cure 40 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. Now you have the long coffin shape white and silver icicle fade. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.